Good day everyone. Today we're going to report Module 8, Computer Ethics. Ethics. Ethics are the standards that guide people's behavior. Ethics speak to whether action are right or wrong. A person's culture, upbringing, and religion all contribute to a person's sense of ethics. A computer ethics simply refers to the guiding, precepts, and norms that are adopted and applied to regulate and control the use of computers and its applications. Neoteric and highly advanced computer technologies are continuously being developed and used to produce more sophisticated, if not perfect, a data processor. This continual technological advancement causes a lot of responsibilities for human actions. Responsibilities which are casting doubt on long-held notion of appropriate behavior, as Deborah G. Johnson stated in her book Computer Ethics.
So these are the 10 commandments for computer ethics. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's files. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. Thou shalt not use or copy software of which you have not paid. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. Thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you write. Thou shalt use a computer in ways that show consideration and respect. Let us examine each of these precepts. First, thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. It says here that this particular commandment prohibits the use of computers to harm others. Harming people does not only mean physically inflicting injury. The harm that is contemplated here is that which affect the emotion of the mental health of people. One example of physiological harmful act is the circulation of nude photographs of women. It violates rule of the decency and dishonor the female person. Many of the nude pictures of famous women that circulate on the internet were merely altered or fake. But it also damaging the women's reputation. Next, thou shalt not interface with other people's computer work. Computer network grants people access to the other people's computer. Unscrupulous individuals not only look what is stored in the neighbor's computers, but they also alter them, whether in a minute or in unnoticed ways or in ways those are really destructive. Any form of alteration of someone else's computer work is considered an ethical practice.
Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. There are number of movies difficulty crime performing through computer technology. Crime should as countering signature, hacking program and breaking codes and passcode in order to prevent computer system. The computer has the capacity to faculty there are robbery, especially in the bank. However, the technology used does not change the fact that is one of their are robbery and therefore illegal. The internet can spread untruth as fast as it can separate truth. Stealing sensitive information or leaking confidential information as a good as robbery. You shall not use a computer to bear false witness. Computer and their application can be used by certain people to faculties the communication of fraud are and to circulate false information, both unethical action slope around in other people's file. Computer users sometimes soak even privacy domain just to satisfy their curiosity. Even though you just browse without copying or altering the fact is their files are private and should not be read without the owner permission. The reading other people email message is a bad as opening and reading their letter.
You should not use or copy software for which you have not paid. This pertains to piracy of software and other programs. The proliferation of pirated software was severely affected. The sale of licensed programs in Asia and the Philippines trading pirated software and CD abound. If you support piracy, also support theft of infringement, intellectual property rights. You should not use other people's computer resources without authorization. High-resourceful computer users can create websites and programs, and those assume other people's computer ID and resource. This practice violates the norm of honesty and integrity. Those should not appreciate other people's intellectual output. The computer programs the intellectual outputs once you in the trading of software without license and agreement by this owner, then you have misappropriating other person intellectual property.
Thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you write. A computer programmer should assess whether the program of software she is designing would be of a great social significance to others, where it could be destructive rather than favorable to society. A computer program should not be designed. Thou shalt use a computer in ways that shows consideration and respect. Just like any other field of interest, computing entails the maintenance of property and integrity. Each user should use computers in such a way that the rights of the others are not violated or infringed upon. This is what is meant by giving due respect to others. Quiz. Give the 10 Commandments of computer ethics.